Eliminating the daily chore of manual scooping while keeping your home fresh, tidy, and completely odor-free usually means upgrading to an automated, smart pet care ecosystem. The Cumrige self-cleaning litter box, large capacity, white and gray, redefines automated feline hygiene by combining a spacious interior drum, intelligent multi-sensor safety protection, and seamless smartphone connectivity into a reliable, modern package. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its automated sifting rotation architecture paired with an integrated multi-sensor safety array. Instead of requiring manual oversight, the unit automatically cycles after your cat exits, sifting waste cleanly into a sealed compartment while using sensitive weight and radar sensors to instantly pause operation the moment a curious paw approaches. Performance and everyday versatility streamline home maintenance for single or multi-cat households. It features an expansive large-capacity drum design paired with a generous sealed waste bin, capable of holding up to roughly 15 days of waste for a single cat, drastically reducing how often you have to interact with daily cleanup. Day-to-day tracking is managed effortlessly via Tuya Smart App Control over 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing you to monitor usage statistics, trigger manual cleaning cycles, and receive full bin alerts straight from your phone. Furthermore, the system operates at a whisper-quiet noise level and is compatible with most standard clumping cat litters. Things to consider before you buy. Because it relies on an automated mechanical drum and high-tech safety sensors, you'll want to ensure you use standard clumping litter, avoiding non-clumping or lightweight bead litters that can throw off the sifting mechanism. Additionally, like most smart rotating litter boxes, you'll want to check that your cats meet the minimum weight requirements, typically safe for cats over 2.2 pounds, and give skittish pets a brief transition period to get used to the quiet mechanical hum. So, who is this really for? This automatic litter box is an absolute home run for busy professionals, multi-cat owners, and cat lovers who want to completely automate the least favorite part of pet ownership without spending a small fortune on luxury brand alternatives. If you prefer a completely passive, unpowered traditional plastic pan, or have an exotic pet setup that doesn't use standard commercial cat litter, a high-tech motorized drum system won't fit your routine. Is it worth the money? If you value reclaimed free time, reliable app monitoring, effective odor containment, built-in safety pause mechanisms, and a large-capacity waste drawer wrapped in a sleek white and gray aesthetic, it is a premier, high-value investment for a cleaner home.